asem na che enti wo so okoye no ina woto so miensa no wa na maami agbo ni sisi e frɛ ne so wo mbra wo mo ne no wonkomo wo koya wo so yenkogyae wo ho no kra na ehemfo ampo
kofodia
kukrantumi empotamo afi wo koya togo shitofie say sometime na hadi e ba be den se na sika bi rai 500 Ghana ntino ye ba be risk no ne ye se e mo kusua so obi antwe de to do de beto fom ampai no na che se ye wa ababa ikoto ne de ampai iti ababa wa na no asem ne se ye twa na chimprema ekobia se na chinkonkuni ni pa
e ma no woro no
mentiase
e ma no woro no
sika ne yesai
500 Ghana
50 Ghana makoma ko 10
500 Ghana can 5 million
eno mutu ka finkran eko
ekukrantumi
eno musa ka na sado mbaba
yese papa bi friend to gbe shito
ena ka na sado mbaba
nti omo baba de na ababa wa ne se ye bo no iti asam no court na nwanwa se kwadwa asem we want mante nwanwa
500 Ghana cedis yira Togu obeji sikanse wa ye sankonya no
ndi nim
ena wase tuka free ha ato petrol akọ
minim se petrol no moto ya na ye de cheoma
anyway Mona Lisa Edujemfi wo Columbus, Ohio, and there your birthday from Gabi Edujemfi, former road safety ambassador. I'll say I wish you happy birthday. Anyway,
Capito.
Maybe I find yeah.
Good. Now no pay the nase. Why you romantic say? Then anaba.
You know.
Adam Pemunia de Kusiani Achenia de Obajari.
I see Nubis.
Now Mukra Mudu has an insunisha said a mudie. Now say Unsunisha says an free fever. Who see Abontia?
Adom. You wanted the Insunisha and Opasi over the Waba.
Yes, I don't need so as
and I said you start here to me, ma.
That mean Macra.
Oh, okay.
And once I'm sending text message, say I'm not coming. Simple.
Na message na bedruzo.
Message na bedruzo who say get in so to be anyaduma.
Captain Winnie. Me be yade ba ko mehu wo sansuo no. Sane ya wo ka say nsuo to aye ntumi mpie no, eye gates. If say a free sa latest from Hoba down ni nyina no. Say kwan ni nyina unhu ba bi agata da. Nsuo no ne kwan ni nyina ye pe. Eti wutensuo na ni cars ni tensuo gata ni ho ansuo ne fam ye be kasa ye tro
emre me fi asori coffee on say ultra ICGC ho na be rem ho na ba ale me bam ne bi ma
ayi ho no ye bo ajanhye ho
da bi baby and dust it no na ensuo na kata ho nyina nti me fi se baby
someone anya lucky na uto sa gata no gata ne ye nkata so
gata kesib ne dan di fi na
Chief
Kafra
ha me yam hyehye me no
asem
na ekwan no on say ekwan no so to a eyifa kwam gota ni susua na so yesu bai ka ho bi Ghana ha enso mu na ya na kwabra ne pra ne dem no ma wo de kwa hefa
me da bia me ka o
wo de ba be gu kwan ho
ye wo ya de wo ya se eche obo
Mimi obia rekwadwo minimum obia ono ne fie ba bi ode ne ballers no efie no o ma ye covet kakraka o se na be nsu to bitu yakonti gata no e na wo na echi no o ma ye covet a e ma nsu ni pia bonten ba bi nsu ni pia fa no e ho na ode ne ballers ti nsu to ya
ne nsu na nkasa fa no ko
na fa no
your politicians they have the time to read ade e ma America society near disciplined e ma French society here disciplined the German society yet disciplined. Yenjebi. By force discipline. You must be forced to be disciplined.
Wako Kofiana Peacekeeping Training Center da.
Makoda.
And Ghana Army Command and Staff College.
What
will Rahoda? What was the chewing crowd?
Debbie.
We are Bema.
Yeah, Papa, you see, okay, American Revolution now about 110 years ago. No, we didn't some fun. Yeah, you do free court to hold, but no be papa was
democracy.
You see,
democracy.
Yes, I didn't say, and a democracy, and a democracy. I am it, say, Yanko
and I am for Kigami DNB.
But we are rough. And Kayati, we are, and Kayacho, so what would the bola, a gugatema, Yan Yoshi, near do Kago Blushi. Wahoo, they are more scrubber. na baby amprako ne da no ye ba wo dwim
captain unsa o kan US decision o mu take anyway ni na no o mu make provisions for niema bi e wo se nipa ninya na wo de sa huni a wo de huni no eti wan ni wo huni na mra no aye adwuma kwaku ka kofia na ICT center honom no wo bedu honom no ye de that's been sisi baby e wo sesi baby e wo sa wo fa ye chese ye de niema na toto akwam ti wan ni so a na ya chewo anope na wo ka parliament ne ekọ so nra unim baby anu omode nsantwefo kogu ye wo mra hye badwam honom no mi na mikita me ya ase rubber bi be kita me no me nam na mi twa me ho na mi bisa say anan fa na that's been nisi eti sule na ebe kire me say ye sule ye ne wo ha na kire me say ko tokuro mu honom na unim baby ansantwefo ne tene baby a ye nyina ye wo no a kire baby a hwe kura unhu se bibi wo honom ene ye de akwakosi ne ye de niema aguso
wow
enti sule nu a wono nim say technician enti wode ne cables ne niema hye na ahwe okohu ye na o kire me na me nante ye na me de ade no koto mu enti obi a wono no woni ne huni kakra bi a wompeni bibia ye odidi wi obeja ato ba bi anu ane ete no na that's been ba kokra isi
not I can say see one drop one slap
enti no faade ni si wo captain one that's been nisi ho no nipa na amfa ntuma you give the person that slap but when you don't provide that that's been no
bisa that's been wa fashion obodo
eno wo ho ye obi a na odi be hye ni botom wo de fathers been nisi ho ya wo wa famu de ewie
ekua
captain
wo dan fofo na wa bruchiri bi so mo that's means are not scattered across the street a nuisance
but
your areas are
vantage points e bi be si ho
areas are ye did that's been esi so what you say but wonya boa wo ye dipa wonya boa oto se meba se toilet kana wontimi ningu wo mpa so a se wo toilet no wo do be use se nsi wo mpa so e wo be bi esie se bi ni count na wontimi ninsi wo mpa so a e so hunu nyansa se wo ye dipa wonya boa wonum nsu a fa rubber no kuta wonsam wuduru baabi ese ode to na ade ato
na bi si baabi de that's mean na bi si baabi
no se baabi si baabi ba chomba o ekua obi nipa bebre won bedroom wo mu ni asewura ho onfa bola ni ngude dem se opera ode wura be nante from the bedroom akobebi obenya ade no be hwegum it is a dustbin ensi multimedia nim ha eno nche se dustbin su wonti wudu wan wan so agyato memi hu me power so
kwajo ye ka dustbin asemi
ye wo bi a obetumi ahye ne ho so memi mfa no ho but enye obi a wo ben santi mo so monya ma fa
parliament house enura me hu kura me hu dustbin se tre Ghana central for ye finti ye finti
ohun ye na esi fa
enura na no
ye ohun ye na esi fa
kapa ko se dustbin so
baby a wo kwotena ne car park no na wo nante sansa na wadu car park
ende ben didi ende Adom FM ya wo ye adwo
ade na omu de asi wo baby a wo se omu di si nye ho na si nipa na di gu wo afin ni gu wo anya ade but wo so ade na baby a wo se odi si no na omu di si
that's been your fancy corridor
that's been ya de ntoma kata that's been so yan fa ntoma kata that's been so
that's been your fancy corridor baby enura na central fort no e ho yan fa that's been si ho e ho be bon e ho na speaker fa pedifoni na MPC na hono mofa yemfa dustbin emfa staircase ho
enye staircase
eti se wa koduru ho na wo fi se wo bedidi a wo didi awie se wo yen centroni na mo agyanwura na gu ho se twegom
asemu na dustbin asema wo kan kwadwo ya wa cycle he ya cycle he panyifo de dustbin mienu be si ho se we ye bola we ye rubber ne ade wo be ko na obi prane dem no ma na ode aba begum to ba kwa na ayema
me say one drop one slap as I say implement
abujanfa daily graphic ntwa so na wo hwe daily graphic anima woni monyamfo kenofo yata so afo hwe ma isi kasem so na nimfonyi eda ha sei na bag ne de minim se minister we kwa no 100 ama we ye se bag ne se efri kwadwo ban redu abreso se omo ye so ana omo de sa cd ne kwen ne dollar no gold na time ho
o se why you me hwe nanim ye
zaso
hwe nanim
I need to me na ne mpasoro no say woyomi but one share goggles and then the nose and the mouth woyomi anono soro no pagya kakra ono ma ben na kakra oh ma men kama semu adena no petite maza o tete ma bra bossa me description vivid description I know the man and I'm describing him
oh you know woyomi
I know him
very good
one no so no we na say we no mu edu kakra chen woyomi if I'm correct I say we mu edu nti omo bibi se kakra but omo nse pa omo mpasoro no nko anese na nra hu na ya asafo mafo
amen
yeah obo akiri honum na the one kata say sika empanimfo se woje na yatumi dia ba oman hu bra fimpinu ne aduonu no 85.9 billion Ghana cedis and the minister so requested for parliament empanimfo nyintuma no na nyame ya domo a afimpinu ne aduonu yentumi emfa ma oman hu ebra no wase asemi wodi tu dwane se walking kan ya wiendom kuma ne say they are very disappointed omo se budget no chese oman tehwe wo man hu hwe na omo de omo hu ne se budget we ye budget a Ghana fo begina so no wodi agya MPP kwae wo mo de apam MPP afrade so if say MPP bocha o ma hye nyina da repetition budget ne ye ba ye sa na omo de omo ka omo se ne ewom no eno a na chese ewom sa na captain ra wote se ka de enka matina midu any deputy attorney general kaye bros by bros if you don't respect me you can't come to me.
Why if who doesn't respect who?
So mumia untumi mame ho gofedo da mi mu matina midu na samo kan no yes monko na asem monko siesie ne so to just say if you don't respect me you can't come to me. No sorry free baby or tie no. I wonder.
Nina ye Waterville Holdings.
We will mu the kan yanko.
Opanyine Alfred Agbesi woyomi. The company no. Na opanyine Matiami do the court. Obeka is what the court to your Cassiska be or Muntiania de na Matiami do trema. Was here ya quite say attorney general. Asam nani nye ho. Well, yes, as my patakuda no watching ye. Nas we dear, as will be a son and no Matiami do what you cha 8 Matiami do na day a attorney general court. So court to sha attorney general na says cano one also question Waterville. Next can Muntia. It's on assembly in our copy. Well, opening go for them say, oh, I said, opening Matiami do create impression. Be say, Attorney General's Department, no crown, woman in Ghana, and I said, woman in home, and yadi, 80 Cobanas, and I said, why the apofi, at to Ghana, this chief.
But you said, Nasam no the coin or Mubogu, and yes, or Munko says, now.
Why you may a seminal? I am yes, studio, I am from an eye fetching cano. But the pens are dying home. Message on why and I didn't so big here. Because some way, yes, boy, I didn't maka. I mean, can't some job. As a mere check. Why you may seek answer crime on my penny? Why you may a meal scribe be free? Why you may have a penny paper truck rat? I say, I feel be a metre 4 million boy.
So, what you are
no triabaco, no triamido, no jay,
or Chiacacra.
I didn't did you on what try now.
Your mon on your pay.
I would a young fan, sir, because Matsami do a court. I want to create loot and share EPA, yet me aje. Why you may call court? Matsami do call court 2 years. I send this abino if you have been bois. Send no more attorney general. What me je? Nana do aban so nyam fiemi sir. Yes me aje.
Asemba ku ya woni sasa.
Ba captain unim. Matinami do mfa abotre nya dwuma no. Ese ne koko ha no. Be say back court say ye di asem a you can say my son is older than you if you don't respect me don't come to me. One mo ye lawyer me ye lawyer obi ye na dwuma in court you don't say my son is older than you and if you don't respect me you can't come to me. Wonya dwuma no wonya woto ayampe adodo. Oh, yanko.
Na dwuma no ye de.
Ye te ase o ya wo.
Mama fa daily guide obokra tamfa to aso. Na daily guide and I was for Hesika.
I don't me sure pass president no no time appointment.
Kwa your time.
Oh sure.
Me say me sure pass Nanado. Or you disappointed say or appointed Batamidu. But don't think.
How can you be sure?
Oh, Basa.
Say do get ya that dem say kwakwa same way. Okay.
The fight against corruption. Nanado shown the way. Our 2016 elections during the electioneering campaign. And now, when he won the elections, after he was sworn in, 2 weeks after he was sworn in, he shown the way to fight corruption. Because one, Nashraj are disappointed here. Yeah. Iyoko, Nebuagum. Okay? Now, Ghana Police Service, one from Castle, you know, Masabaka Chance and Kadadam. Senso Ajegu. BNI, Nehuya Bohonia, the Chechen Crofo. President to share the no so no. My member was special prosecutor. Papa wako court. Citizen vigilante. Uni majuma no. Ti ma memfa ade ne hye wonsam. Ya born din president sworn in wie no ka che Ghana nyina say when who president ta ono ontimi interfere na adwuma obeye. Enti Ghana fom enya ne ho abotre. A year later we will see the results. Patro yenya afi. Atra afi o na matena medu.
See appointed na nsan kan ne no ma. E kire na ne budget ye beji tum.
Masa.
And what shall I say?
You are lawyer for me, Brocroma, Ubuni chamber. So, Mudia Sam Dibim.
No, Fanny, so deep.
Massa, Messia, you are lawyer for me, Brocroma, Ubuni chamber.
Matiamidu.
Umudia Sam
Mudia Semi Coco, so deep.
As I'm here.
And yeah, what have you
said? What have you some you? Javier, obey your special prosecutor, Bessie there.
Almost in the part 40. And no master Mugusua, one more day back court.
One more day back.
Results in the
one more day back.
Nipa 40.
One more day back.
And you're one of Yariga, why you're in Barry.
Oh, one more day back. Into Irene see.
Into the Quadromamenco Daily Guide. So, now Daily Guide was off for Resica Sam, so kind of Riata was a 2020 year of rose. Was it 2020 Quadro? Yaquine or Mobile?
Oh, my road, my voice.
Quambania, woman, Ghana, and another mobile Yanti, Nama Penny. Answer one on the Casino Dianibu and Ghana Sikasem were very bottom, and Zan will be dear with the energy. Was a Ghana dish in another boss, we will not overspend in 2020. Nara, and I could say the cartoon be a bang. Na cartoon Papa Bidam Pem. Yata Sampo! Mamma Casana, Asem the Morum. One Papa Bidam Pem, Papa. Or as a dear, or Messi, Nitrian, Papa always says on your ponkusi. We didn't quite Nitrian as a Shatawali. But we're an name, the woman Messia and that. As a Papa, I can only suggest, or I can only conjecture, or I can only assume, or I can only presume. Or I can only deduce. Or
more terms, add more.
Na Papa no hena. Ankoya say Omampani dada nyajukumkofo. John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Na mapane dampem modawan was so da ye dwo ya so bofo bi friwe mu ba. Hey. Acha se bofo no ne na taban. Utu sampa. Minim se we ni mokafu ya naza ete frema na wobofo so hwe na nima as what naza se
wa ka ete frema maka sa ko fupani no wo togu na fe na ete frema wawu
ne ne maintain wasas
wawu
sa
wawu
oh nani wadi biko
wawu
anti aka ni mokafu
Tuesday
aka ni mokafu
ai tafiko
nyame fa ne kransi yi
we nyame be ne fa ne kransi
na bofo
ka se kran ina nyame de se yi
bofo utu se watna Ghana pen na bofo yi why Ghana ni
bofo no ye Ghana ni
so bofo no ye Ghana ni
obi ma na so bofo
dabi we nyomo we kra de wadi mampanyinda
bofo a wadi mampanyinda praise the Lord
na o na ni mu a o say my brothers and sisters wa hu ye mampanyinda da John Evans Fifi Fenton from Minnesota Mills aka Asudwe ne nyame fa ne kransie yie na wase langa show part 2 it means so we say chewa
langa show
part 2 na panyini da hwa na obofo yi ne ho kire no say my brother don't forget Asudwe Park why Entry as well benyansa fo ye bunu be
ase we dey hold any from James Atama from James Atama no man chabi men
so we ase we nyam na me kai
ase from James Atama
ase we nyam na me kai e mali guy na
how dey no masem di
na me
ma asem di
Kapi
kapito yeah when say makai kapipa Isaac no menyo or say happy birthday and comma Edith Kwafin or Jache Pramso Senior High School Japas or say Nayo birthday Edith happy birthday from Pozo number 1.
Jache Pramso boy and Kwamna Aquabuan and Wasabubio. Face to face. I know you could jack one.
But you
high life.
I want him you. Menkwanam down.
Don't quite.
Or a baby. Mammy telling them why. And Joe, face to face over here.
Capito, one says if you had a high life, Bina, OPD, Abetumuno, or China, yet Yababoe at Dwaso.
Oh, yes, I'm Some casa, remember.